Millions of pounds of plant protein enter factories like this every year. But how does a simple plant ingredient become something that looks, cooks, and tastes?
Today, we're going inside a massive plant-based meat factory. We will follow the entire process. This goes from raw ingredients to the finished product. Soon, it will be on the supermarket shelf.
Millions of plant-based meat products begin their journey inside facilities like this. Before production even begins, enormous quantities of carefully selected ingredients arrive at the plant. Every shipment is inspected and documented before it can enter the production process. The main ingredient is usually a concentrated plant protein, commonly derived from sources such as soy or peas. Ingredients are stored under controlled conditions until production schedules call for them. Exact quantities are measured because consistency is critical. From one batch to the next. The dry protein is screened to create a consistent particle size before processing. Water is carefully controlled. Hydration will transform the dry protein into a workable food mixture. The protein absorbs water, becoming softer and ready for the next stage. Industrial mixers then distribute moisture evenly throughout the protein.
But making plant protein taste like meat isn't enough. The texture has to change too.
This is where one of the most important transformations takes place: extrusion. Heat, moisture, and mechanical force work together to reorganize the protein. The proteins form long structures that create the fibrous texture consumers associate with meat. After extrusion, the structured protein is cooled and prepared for formulation. Now the protein becomes part of a carefully engineered recipe.
Plant-based oils can be added to provide richness and a more familiar mouthfeel. Seasonings and flavor components are precisely measured to build the final taste profile.
Color can also be carefully adjusted, so the product looks familiar before and after cooking. Everything is mixed until the formulation reaches the required consistency.
Samples are tested to make sure the texture meets strict production specifications. For burgers, the mixture enters high-speed forming equipment that creates thousands of uniform patties.
Every patty is shaped to nearly identical dimensions for consistent cooking and packaging. The same technology can produce different shapes, including nuggets and other meat alternatives.
For sausage-style products, specialized equipment creates long, consistent portions.
Depending on the product, controlled thermal processing can help develop its final structure and flavor.
Temperature and processing time are carefully controlled throughout the cooking stage.
The surface develops the familiar cooked appearance, while the interior remains moist and structured. After heating, the products are rapidly cooled to prepare them for safe packaging.
Quality control teams verify that the required temperature and safety parameters have been achieved. Machine vision systems inspect products at speeds human inspectors could never match.
Safety systems also check the finished product before it reaches consumers.
Next comes one of the fastest stages, automated packaging.
Each tray is sealed to protect the product during storage and transportation. Labels are automatically applied with product information and tracking details. Production codes and date information allow every batch to be traced through the supply chain.
Automated scales verify that every package contains the correct amount of product. Seals, packaging integrity, and appearance are checked before products leave the facility.
Selected samples also undergo laboratory testing as part of the factory's quality control program.
After passing inspection, the finished products are finally ready for the next stage of their journey. Individual packages are grouped into shipping cases for distribution.
The cases are sealed, coated, and prepared for palletizing. Robotic palletizers build stable loads designed for efficient transportation. The finished products are moved into temperature-controlled storage. From here, refrigerated trucks begin moving the products toward stores and distribution centers.
The factory's production line is now connected to a much larger distribution network.
Eventually, those carefully processed ingredients arrive in the refrigerated aisles of supermarkets.
What started as plant protein, water, oil, and carefully selected ingredients has been transformed into a completely different kind of food.
And behind every package is a complex combination of food science, engineering, automation, and quality control. From simple plant ingredients to a finished product on the shelf, that is how a modern plant-based meat factory turns protein into food at massive scale.